Hey, so today I got sent a product from this company called Sandmarc. Their action gear for the iPhone 12 Pro. I got the macro lens edition. I'm not sponsored by Sandmarc. They're not paying me any money. They just sent me this, asked me if I'd take a look at it, see what I thought. So we're going to do that today. And I do not a lot, but I have a lot of fun with macro stuff with the iPhone that I do on my Instagram page. You can see a link to that below if you want to look at them. But I usually do a little thing where I shoot something up really close and ask people, can you guess what this is? And it's, I don't know, people have fun with it. It's kind of a fun thing. I enjoy doing it. So I do that randomly when I think about it. And I normally use this other little clip-on thing. I was using this, but the other day the lens fell out of it. I still have it, but the little screw mount that holds it in fell out. So it's good that they sent me this because my other one is not working anymore. So let's take a look at what comes in the box. So the case, back case for your phone, looks nice, feels good. Get that. Or you can, looks like you can clip on, screw the lens on here and clip it onto your phone. If you're not using this back case, I suppose. And you get a nice little pouch, comes with it. See what's in there. Come on. Oh, get a nice little lens cloth. Comes with it. The lens. A little diffuser thing here too, which is nice. So I believe this is, put the glasses on. 25 millimeter lens. Magnification 10 times. Diameter is 38 millimeter. It's a macro lens. And it looks like you pop this back cap off here and you're able to mount it right on the back there. Nice lens cover, and there we go. Very nice looking lens there. Yeah, so that works pretty well like that. And then let's see if we can put it on this guy. Yeah, so you got a quick little clip-on mount as well. So let's put this on a phone and take a look. Oh, let's try this out one more time here real quick. Put that on. And then this guy looks like it would be really nice to put on there like that and be able to put that down, and that probably gives you your distance, would be good to do. Plus you can get a little diffused light through this as well if you're using any kind of separate lighting source, which if you have something like this you could use to light through that, diffuse it, and that would be pretty cool to do a little something like that. So let's go ahead, turn that off. Let's put this on a camera, on a phone, put a phone in here, and let's take some shots, see how it looks. Overall right now I think it's pretty well made. So it looks pretty good, fits on there really snug. I like the little case that it comes with, is nice. So let's take a look at some shots and do some shots. All right, cool. Let's do that now. Woo! All right, that was a quick little musical interlude to get to where we are now. Got the iPhone 12 Pro mounted up on here with the case. Fits really nice. You can see all the buttons. I don't think I would use this case all the time as a protective case. If it fell I don't think it's not strong enough or rubbery enough to save your phone if it fell. But lens mounts on there really good. We'll do a couple quick little shots here. I got a little set up with just some screws just to see how this looks and how we can get down in here. And it gets right on in there with this. And we're just gonna kick, we got the little diffuser on there, so we're gonna kick a little light coming from the side here. I'll just set that right over there. Get this right on in there. And there we go. Yeah, I can mess around with this light a little bit. Looks really good, but boy, it gets right in there. And then we'll take some with this guy off, the little diffuser, just see what that. Oh yeah, it gets even closer. Wow, that's nice. Yeah, it's really good. Works really, really good. This is nice so for the lighting, and easy to put that right back on and off. So I would probably keep this on just because I like the way the light goes through it. But it does limit how close you can get, but that's really nice. Turn this guy off. Do some without that. Cool. So now we'll kind of take a look at these guys, and it makes a really cool image. Maybe do a little editing to them, but for the most part, you can see it's gets right in there. And I'll post these up on there, and now have the iPhone 13 here as well, which we'll use, since I don't have a case for that, we'll use the little clip-on and do some shots with that as well. So we'll do a quick little timeout here and change this over to put it onto the 13 and shoot some shots with that. All right, so we've got the lens mounted on the clip to see what we can do with the iPhone 13 here. Get that up and get it mounted on here. There we go. And just put this guy on here like that. So get that guy right mounted in there. Then just adjust it till you get the lens nice and centered. There's a little bit of vignetting that happens around the edge of the lens, going with the regular setting on here, not zoomed in or anything on the 3x zoom you can do. So we'll grab a few shots right here. Just, that looks pretty good. Getting right in there. Let's add a little extra light again. Get a little light raking across there. Boom, like that. And with the 13, now you get the 3x zoom in, and that really gets you right down into the action. Right in there, that's pretty cool. Get that lit up. Yeah, that gets you right down in there. Go for a little different angle. Oh, yep, that's nice right there. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. So that gets you right in there. That works really well. Let's see if we can pop this guy off and see if we can get down in even closer. Oh, yeah. So that's right down in there. Hold the camera still. There we go. Get another shot right like that. And that really pulls you in super tight. But I know now with the 13, it has its own macro that gets you way down in there as well. I mean, really, really 1:1, bigger than 1:1. I mean, we're so zoomed in on macro in on this thing with that I don't know how much I would use this with the new 13. This is really super nice, well made, put together. I like this. That works on would work really good on an 11 or the 12 Pro. It worked really good just using it with their case. So now we need to take a look at these images and see what we got. Let's get them up on the screen here and we can take a look. Okay, I've got the images downloaded, made 6 different pages, 6 different shots where I have the zoomed in macro shot on the left and the actual object that I shot on the right. So you can take a look at those now. All right, so that's a quick look at the images I shot with the Sandmarc macro lens. Good quality, I liked it. The images look cool. I love shooting these macro shots and lighting them cool and putting them on Instagram and having people try and guess what it is I shot. So you could check that out. I'll put my Instagram in the description below. But anyway, for $89, you got the case and the lens, which was $89.99. It's a good value for that. It was a good product, and the clip works good too. So if you don't have the case on, you can always just use the little clip, and that worked really nice. It looks like I've been on their Sandmarc's page. They're making a case for the 13 Pro and Max and all that. So it did work really well on that as well. Personally, I don't know if I would bring it with me now that the iPhone 13 Pro has the close-up macro that it can do without it, but it worked well with the 13. So overall, it's a good product, and if you enjoy do that kind of macro stuff, kind of like I do, it's really fun. I would get it. So yeah, that's it. Hope you like the images. They were fun doing, and until next time, I'm out.